If you're having Wi-Fi problems on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26, this video is for you. Whether your phone won't connect to Wi-Fi, keeps disconnecting, shows connected but no internet, or the Wi-Fi won't turn on at all. I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. Let's start with the easiest fix. First, restart your phone. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons. Tap Restart. Tap again Restart and wait for your device to reboot. This simple step fixes temporary software glitches in many cases. Next, turn Wi-Fi off and back on. Swipe down to open Quick Settings. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait about 10 seconds and turn it back on. Sometimes the Wi-Fi module just needs a quick refresh. If that doesn't work, restart your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Let it fully reboot before reconnecting your Galaxy S26. If your phone says connected but no internet, try forgetting and reconnecting to the network. Go to Settings, then Connections, then Wi-Fi. Tap Settings gear icon of your current network, select Forget, and then reconnect by entering your password again. This clears saved configuration errors. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, reset your Wi-Fi settings. Go to Settings, tap General Management, then Reset, and choose Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Tap Reset Settings to confirm it. Keep in mind, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth devices. Another important step is disabling smart Wi-Fi features. Go to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi, tap the three dots, then Intelligent Wi-Fi. Turn off, switch to mobile data. These features can sometimes interfere with connection stability. Check for software updates, go to Settings, tap Software Update, tap Check for updates, and download and install it if available. So make sure your device is running the latest version of One UI. If you still have issues, boot your phone into safe mode. Press and hold the power button, then tap and hold power off and select safe mode. Test your Wi-Fi there. If it works fine, a third-party app is likely causing the issue, and you'll need to uninstall recently installed apps. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Make sure you back up your data first. Then go to Settings, General Management, Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Tap Reset. Unlock your phone. Tap Delete All. This restores your phone to default settings. If your Wi-Fi won't turn on at all, shows a constant error, or keeps disconnecting even after a reset, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, visit an authorized Samsung service center in the US. Most Wi-Fi problems on the Galaxy S26 series are caused by software glitches, corrupted network settings, router issues, outdated firmware, or app conflicts. The good news is that in most cases, a simple restart or network reset fixes the problem. Follow these steps carefully, and your Wi-Fi should be working smoothly again.